Hello lovely ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be doing a video with a few different aspects to it. Somebody has requested a comparison between the lovely Be Supplied and the Be Sporty. So I'm going to pack them both up with the same things so you can see what fits in each and how they compare. The other part of the video is that I'm going to just talk a little bit more about the Forever backpack. I've been using it for a few days now, so I can give you a little bit more of an idea of how it's been performing. I've been really impressed. It's really resilient. I think that the fake leather thing is actually really on its side because from a distance and even fairly close up it does look like real leather. It has the appearance, it looks really smart, but it's just so resilient. It seems to just bounce back after whatever is thrown at it, which is fantastic because it's kind of, you spend a lot of money on the bag and you think, oh, you know, do I need to be precious with it? But I mean, yeah, take good care of it, but it's going to hold up to some serious use, which is really good. So it should last a long time. It's a good investment, another reason to buy. And the other thing that I'm really excited by, somebody's just pointed out to me, the lovely Lacey has pointed out to me, that does have a grab handle right at the back there, this little flap of material, and it doesn't compromise on the design of the bag in any way, but it's just there so you can pick it up without having to kind of use the handle and or the straps or anything like that. We were all trying to come up with ways of making different straps for it, but this is fantastic. So yes, I'm really enjoying using it. I'm still using it as my everyday bag at the moment. I think it's really nice. This print, I think, is really nice for the summer, but also I think it's going to look great in the autumn as well. So it's really happy to have this bag. So I'm going to pack up my Be Supplied and my Be Sporty and compare them for you. So first up we have the beautiful Be Supplied, and I have packed her up for a typical day out with my two children who are 4.5 and 2. And let's start with the front pocket, the mummy pocket. Inside I've got a small set piece in whimsical watercolour. Inside I've got some mummies, and I've got a coin purse in Donatella Sweet Shop with my medication. I have got To Be Charged, my little reusable shopping bag in this cute flamingo print. My keys are on the key fob. And that's everything for that pocket. Turning her around. This pocket I like to call my sort of food pocket, I guess. I have 2 drinks bottles, very nice and handy to reach. And then I have got 2 snack pots. I like to have all the food easy to grab because it's usually the thing that's needed the most. And I have a medium set piece, a secure swirl with bibs and other dining needs. I also have right at the bottom my med kit, all packed up in a small Be Organised piece. I've got a full first aid kit in there, and Bonjela and Calpol and all sorts of things you might need. So that's the pump pocket, which is the biggest pocket. And on the other side I like to call this my cleaning station. I have got a variety of different wet wipes. Any kind of sticky situation. My little hand sanitizer, which is in the matching flamingo print, and I really love these little thin hand sanitizers. I was given this, so I'm not sure where you get them from, so I'm going to have to find some when this one runs out. I've also got a little sun cream, some tissues, some Sweeties, Brides, and that's it for the pocket. Reaching into the main compartment, open it nice and wide so you can see everything in there. I always have my wet wipes at the top, my water wipes, and then it's quite a beautiful sight in there. The boring one first is my Be Rich in Blackout, and then I have a medium set piece with just some things that I need. This varies as to what's inside, but I've just at the moment I've just got some Lana lips and lip gloss and a pen. But I have all sorts of things usually in there. Just things are in use. I then have a large set piece in the shoreline print. This has a change of clothes for my son and my daughter. It has a wet bag, it has a Sudocreme, it has some nappy bags, so a lot inside there. And I also have a large set piece in the wallflower print, and that has got nappies. There are 3 in there, but you could fit a lot more. Look at that beautiful print. Oh, I love that lining. I think they should have done a mixed set with that as the medium set piece. That would have been amazing. And that is everything I have packed. I didn't use the back pocket here, which you could put a changing pad in, but I don't have one that matches, and it just didn't feel right to put a clashing print in because it's such a beautiful bag. So next I'm going to do the Be Sporty in Olive Rose. So let me get that packed up and I'll be right back. So I've just showed you what I managed to pack inside my Be Supplied, and I thought rather than packing up the Be Sporty and showing you that, I thought I would just put everything, as you can see, all these lovely items here that came out of the Be Supplied. I'm going to put them in for you as I go along, so you can see what I can fit, and if I can fit as much in the Sporty as I could in the Be Supplied. I do feel like they're a comparable size, so I feel quite confident that I can fit them all in, and let's give it a go. So I'm going to start with the bottle pockets. Seem like a quite obvious choice to begin with. I can put one in each side. And zip those up. Then I'm going to do the main compartment just so it stands up a bit better, because it's really, the Be Sporty and the Olive Rose is really floppy and it's all over the place right now. So let's get some large set pieces in there to get some structure to the bag. So there goes the wallflower. I'm going to put that in. I think I'm going to go that way to begin with. Let's see how that works. And then the shoreline. I like to put them in so that they're opposite ways, just so that they fit together nicely, take up less space. And then I'm going to go for the medium set pieces down the side next to the large set pieces, but facing the other way. But again, doing the same alternating way. I think I left something in this bag. Felt like there was something at the bottom there. So that's looking lovely in there. It's not tight, it's got plenty of room. The Be Rich is going in next. I'm going to slot that down the third side. Wow, loads of room. Wet wipes. Going in, I think they can go in the back there. It's like a TARDIS, this bag. You wouldn't think you'd fit much in, but you really can fit a lot in there. Let's go for the front pocket. Get some of these smaller items in, so put my Be Rich, not my Be Rich, my Be Charged in front here, along with this small set piece. And my reusable shopping bag's going to go in there. My little hand sanitizer. All in that nice little mesh pocket there. Nice and easy to grab. Let's see. I think I'm also going to put some wet wipes. Because all these things, I do love the pump pocket on the Be Supplied. That is like the best feature. So it's a very different way to pack, but I do think that they can fit equal amounts. Put those sweets in there. This pocket is just never ending. But I think that's it. Can we go for the, let's try. Sun cream. Yeah, that's going to go in, and the tissues on top. Yeah, that's not even too full. That's lovely. And last but not least, we've got the med kit, which I'm going to fit in there. Yep. Just need to put my snack boxes in, which I'm going to put on the top, so they're nice and easy to reach, and not too bad to take out of the way to get to what's underneath, so that's fine. And then my keys, I would probably hook my keys on the side, because that's what I often do anyway. Zip it up. And there she is. And I'm going to put the next part of the video, I'm going to compare them side by side. So wait for it. And there she is. Sisters side by side, they look beautiful together. And that's the front view. Let's go for the side. And the back. From the top. And from the bottom. Try and get that. I would say they compare quite closely in terms of how much you can pack in each. Obviously one's backpack style, so you've got that versatility. The Be Sporty is backpack or messenger style, so you've got the options there. And the Be Supplied is just messenger style, or you can use just the tote handles like that. Weight wise, I think the Be Sporty is slightly lighter than the Be Supplied, but there's not much in it. Organisation wise, I would say the Be Supplied wins there. That pump pocket is fantastic. I've never used a pump really in that way, but the bag is fantastic just as a baby bag, because you can use that big pocket inside, or you can squish it away and have a bigger main compartment. So many options there. I love the big giant bottle pockets on the Sporty, so that's another plus on that one. So overall, they are both brilliant bags. You can't go wrong with either of them. It just depends if you want to be hands-free or not. I think that's the main decision to make. Thanks for watching, everyone.